Here is an example of a third grade art lesson. From my dashboard, I choose the art course, and it brings up to the teacher's main page in Canvas. I can scroll down and see lesson number 1, click to open the lesson, and you can see her guiding question: how can understanding shape help us create and respond to art? Then as you scroll down, you see the checklist for the unit of what is expected, the learning goals, you can see the vocabulary that goes with the lesson, and then her bell ringer activity, today's lesson, which is in Nearpod, and you can just click to watch the lesson. You can see it, you scroll through page by page to read the lesson. Some of the Nearpod lesson will be videos. Others may be questions you need to respond to. You can see it opens up to websites with different shapes. We'll go back to the lesson. I'm going to scroll down and you can see the homework that is given with instructions on how to submit your assignment. So that's an example of an art lesson for third grade students.